Chrissy, and today I have a video for you about my hair, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get the cute little curls that I had in the intro. It's one of my favorite styles to wear, and it's super easy. You just need one tool and, you know, the will to survive. Pretty much. But yeah, I put some dry shampoo in and some heat protectant, and then I have me little curling iron, which is a 1/2 inch, and it works wonders for my short little hair. I don't know how this hairstyle would look on longer hair. It'd probably be just as curly and fluffy and fun as it should be, but it might take forever. So just keep that in mind. First I start sectioning, and on the bottom I use the clamp. So I will clamp, I'll take a small piece and curl it with the clamp, because it's the bottom layer and no one really notices. I just don't want it to be super straight how it is now. I want it to kind of blend in with the rest of my hair. So just like that, and the pieces that are closer to my face will go away from my face, and then I will start going the opposite direction and alternating which way I will go. And they kind of vary in size of of how big a piece to take. The smaller the better result, I think, but it takes more time. So it depends on how much time you have. And I'm going to be taking this all the way to the root. That way I get the most volume and fluffiness as possible. So I'm just going to hairspray it, and I don't know where I put that, so I'm going to be right back. So I ran out of hairspray, so my boyfriend's going to bring some over. But in the meantime, what I would normally do is spray each layer before I move on. That way each layer is saturated and won't budge. But now we're going to see how it holds up until it gets here. Oh well. And I'm doing the next section, but instead of using the clamp, I will be wrapping it around the barrel. And still we're going to do the one closest to my face, goes away. Well, I looked it up and it said if you run out of hairspray to mix warm water and sugar, and that's exactly what I did. I just made my own hairspray, and honestly it feels like hair still, not that crunchy sticky feeling, but it's slightly sticky, so I feel like this is gonna work. It's all natural too. It tastes good. But I am on my last little layer here. I decided to stop filming because it was getting pretty repetitive. And with this hairspray, I'll have to let you guys know how it holds up throughout the night. And I decided to try it because my hair is already dirty and I need to wash it, so I'll just do that tomorrow. And then when it completely cools and dries is when we can kind of fluff it up. But I don't do it too much because I don't really like it to be frizzy, and kind of like the curls to be a little bit separate. I'm gonna pin back this side to show off my little ear. And there you have it. This is the super easy, super fluffy, and super curly hairstyle that I created for you and me, because it's on my head. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe so we can be together forever. And yeah, I will catch you guys later.